My husband is busy with security issues, so I'm making this video to update you guys about the historic attack from Iran against Israel last night. Over 170 UAVs, over 130 cruise missiles, and more than 120 ballistic missiles was launched towards Israel from Iran, Yemen, and Iraq. All the UAVs and cruise missiles were intercepted by Israel, the USA, UK, and France jet planes. Reported that Jordan helped in interception of the attacks too. Out of more than 120 ballistic missiles, only a few fell in Israeli territory. They fell at the Air Force Base in Nevatim. The base is functioning and continues to perform its tasks. Unfortunately, a young child from the Bedouin community of the Negev, South Israel, was seriously injured. During the Iranian attack, with perfect timing, Lebanon launched more than 30 rockets to Israel. The missile's interception was all over Israel and even over the Temple Mount and the Muslim symbol of Al-Aqsa, which was protected by the Iron Dome. The Arabs in the villages and cities in Israel was cheering for the Iranian attack against their Jewish neighbors, also protected by the Israeli Iron Dome. This is a historical moment we live in. This is the first time Iran attacks directly from its territory. After condemnations of Iranian attack from the USA, UK, Germany, France, and the UN, for real, Iran announced that as far as it's concerned, the account is closed and the incident is behind us, unless Israel will respond. Iran is emphasized too that this is an act of self-defense and that the USA must not interfere. Biden's administration, after standing with us in this attack, saying now that the US won't participate in Israeli attack back if we decide to respond. I want to thank the coalition of our allies who helped us to protect Israel last night. Also, more prophecies are coming through. As written, Jordan stood beside and fought against the attack on Israel. Now the leaders of Israel will decide how we answer this attack. Pray for Israel, pray for Jerusalem, pray for our hostages to come back home safely. Thank you for watching, and I will keep you up to date, guys. Thank you.